क्या आप लॉजिकली डिसाइड कर पाओगे जब सामने एक मॉन्स्टर हो? हेलो, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप? आई होप अंटिल डॉन आप इंजॉय कर रहे हो। इस गेम ने फर्स्ट एपिसोड से ही ना जो सस्पेंस को पकड़ के रखा है वो अभी तक क्लियर ही नहीं हो रहा है कि एक्चुअल में मेन विलन है कौन। और अगर आपने लास्ट एपिसोड देखा हो तो एक मॉन्स्टर रिवील हुआ है। पूरा रिवील तो हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन बैकग्राउंड में उसका एक शैडो टाइप फिगर उसने दिखाया है। चलिए ज़्यादा ना डिले करते हुए आज इसको देखते हैं। अगर आपने सुपर नेचुरल सीरीज देखा हो उसमें सीजन 1 में उसी टाइप का मॉन्स्टर दिखाया है जिसका नाम विंडिगो था। चलिए ज़्यादा टाइम ना वेस्ट करते हुए भागते हैं पहले यहाँ से ना। विंडिगो का जो ट्रेड्स था वो बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट था और ह्यूमन साउंड की मिमिक्री कर सकता था। क्या इस गेम में भी वैसा ही है? देखते हैं। ये क्या है? बिली बेट्स, ब्लास्टिंग क्रू, नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न माइंस, एल्बर्टा। हे बिली, आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम, लुक मी अप इफ यू एवर इन कैलगरी। ये जस्ट एक लेटर है। कुछ देख रहा था पीछे से। जल्दी यहाँ से निकलते हैं, नहीं तो वो विंडिगो पीछे आ जाएगा ना तो अपने पास ऑप्शन नहीं रहेगा भागने का। जल्दी यार। रन करने का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है और ये जस्ट चल रही है, उसमें बड़ा डर लग रहा है कि जल्दी चल, नहीं तो बाकी फ्रेंड्स कहाँ है अभी उसका पता नहीं। लेकिन ये उस समय से, लास्ट एपिसोड से, ये बेचारी माइन से निकल नहीं पाई है। क्या करें? मे बी माइंस का एंट्रेंस बाहर निकलने का सामने है। वो जैकेट वाला बंदा अपने को जो लग रहा था कि वो विलन है या किलर है, वो मुझे लगता है कि ऑल अलोंग वो सेव कर रहा था इन लोगों को। यहाँ पे दिखाई दिया, अभी जस्ट कोई ऊपर गया है क्रॉल करके। ये क्या है नीचे में? जल्दी। वुडू। ड्रैगन फ्लाई टाइप का कुछ है ना? इसने तो कुछ ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया ही नहीं।
Okay, this is gonna be the way.
भाग जल्दी। अगर बाय चांस गलती से भी पकड़ लिया ना, बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट है वो। सरफेस एलिवेटर काम नहीं कर रहा। अच्छा, काम कर रहा है, थैंक गॉड।
God. Oh God.
बहुत डरावना था मॉन्स्टर। जल्दी चल, भाग यहाँ से भाई।
Shit.
अरे वो थ्रो क्यों कर दिया उसने? गुड गुड गुड। जल्दी, हाँ। और इसी में कोई फायर। फाइनली स्मार्ट चॉइस। जल्दी ऊपर क्रॉल करते हुए भाग, पीछे मत देख। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। अपने ब्लॉक हो गए क्या? ओके, नहीं 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 हुए, नहीं हुए। लॉक लॉक लॉक, जल्दी। बाल बाल बचा। बेचारी के साथ बहुत बुरा हो रहा है, वो पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ रहा वो तो मॉन्स्टर। इतना लंबा सर्वाइवल का स्ट्रगल किसी का नहीं रहा है। बेचारी अभी तक भाग ही रही है। चल चल, कमान कमान। अपने हम लोगों ने जितना गलत सोचा इसके बारे में ना, उससे ज्यादा स्मार्ट निकली।
Crap. What now?
Let me in!
Let her in quick.
Is that? It's Em. Shut the door! Oh my God! Shut the door!
Are you all right?
I didn't think that I'd make it.
You were screaming bloody
Are you
murder.
okay? You look totally worried.
There was something.
Where's Matt? Come sit down. Sit down.
Something's out
Did you guys
there.
split up?
A monster. It's a
Wait.
monster.
What are you talking about?
I said there's something out there.
Ash, relax. It was Josh. It was all Josh.
No. Listen to
We
me.
got him tied up. He can't hurt you.
No, it was after me, and it wasn't human.
Hold on.
What happened? ये पूछते हैं।
Em, can you tell us exactly what happened?
I am trying to tell you. We were climbing up the tower, and it fell. The whole tower just fell right into the mines.
Whoa. What mines?
There are these mine shafts all over, running under everything. When the tower fell, we ended up down there.
I don't understand. The tower fell? How'd it fall?
I was walking down there in the mines, and it was dark, and I found this pile, and there was Beth's head.
Wait, what?
Beth's head, I found it.
Oh my God.
What the
Are
fuck?
you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. I think they fell down there.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
But the worst part is I don't think that Hannah died, like, from the fall, not right away.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
I don't know, I feel like she was down there, like, starving to death for weeks. When we were all up here looking for her, and we had no idea.
That's horrible.
Listen, in the tower, there was a radio, and I got through to someone, but then that was right when the tower collapsed.
Em, you made it.
Oh, God,
Yeah,
Mike.
barely.
What about Matt?
We're trying to figure that out.
Yeah, and then there was this monster that was chasing her.
She's all messed up, guys. Emily? Hey, Em?
Whoa.
What the fuck can that be?
Josh.
Jess?
It's not Jess.
मैट है, मैट।
Sorry, man, but who is it? I don't know. We should check it out. I got your back.
Good.
Okay. I'm gonna open the door. You ready? You ready?
Just do it already. Whoever it is probably gone by now.
Unless you want me to take the gun.
No. I think that's less good. You do the door. I got the gun.
फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर वाला पर्सन बाहर में है। फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर नहीं, मतलब वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फ्लेम थ्रोअर।
Hold on there. Hold on there, mister. Freeze. Ow, what? All right. Just take it easy, Grandpa.
Okay, everybody, just calm down. Now, just move over there. Go on, move. Let me say what I came to say. I'm here to tell you what you're up against being back on this mountain. You should never have returned. I don't know why you did after what happened last year.
You mean with Hannah and Beth?
Yeah, how could you know without being involved?
Or responsible?
You hold on to your horses. I don't take kindly to you kids coming up here to my mountain.
Your mountain. Huh. I'm sure the Washingtons would be very surprised to hear that.
Well, the mountain don't belong to me, it's true. But it don't belong to the Washingtons. This mountain belongs to the Wendigo.
Who?
What's he talking?
सी मैंने बोला ना विंडिगो है.
Indigo.
Let's hear him out.
Not like we have a choice.
Now, I'm only gonna tell you this once. It doesn't matter to me if you believe it or not. I got reasons I want to get it off my chest.
See? I told you. He's guilty as shit. Guilty as something.
Shut up, Mike.
There is a curse that dwells in these mountains. Should any man or woman resort to cannibalism in these woods, the spirit of the Wendigo shall be unleashed.
Oh, crap.
You're gonna need to find somewhere safe.
The basement might be okay.
Okay, get down there now, all of you, and wait.
What? Why? For how long?
Until dawn.
Guys, I ran off and left Josh when I heard screaming.
Where did you leave him?
In the shed.
Your friend will already be dead.
No. No, he can't be. We were just with him.
A lot can happen quickly on this mountain.
No. I'm not letting anything else happen to him.
Anything else? What do you mean?
Chris, don't.
I hit him. We thought he'd killed Jessica, and so he got me riled up. And I hit him in the head.
Chris! Maybe he deserved it.
No matter what, we can't just let him die.
Then I'll go with you.
I don't need your help.
You're going alone is suicide.
Fine.
The rest of you, get down to the basement. Be safe. And don't go outside again until we're back. You don't seem to understand the magnitude of the situation.
Well, I'm going to get Josh, aren't I?
No, I'm going to get Josh. You're going to help me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think so.
You need to follow me and do everything I tell you. This is the end. You point towards the thing you want to kill.
I know how to use a shotgun, man.
No, you don't.
What? How do you know?
Trust me, I know.
Hey. Come back safe.
We need to hurry, son.
See you soon. So tell me, you're the expert on these things. What's a guy gotta know?
You just be careful. You follow my lead.
अब तो लगता है क्रिस को बचा के लाना ही पड़ेगा.
So, how many times do I have to shoot it with the shotgun before it's dead?
Well, you'll be shooting it a long time.
You mean this thing won't even kill it?
No, but it'll slow it down.
Well, how do you kill it?
They don't like fire.
I don't like fire.
They fear it. And it can kill them if you have to. See, their skin is like... It's like tough armor. Unless you burn it off first.
It's gross. Well, what are these things like? I mean, are they just crazy unpredictable, or... I mean, can you figure out what they're gonna do?
Well, they adhere to some patterns. Like any animal. Or human.
Well, you mean like how? Like they've got schedules?
Well, they only hunt at night.
Oh. Why?
I didn't ask.
Any, pro Wendigo tips? Like if I rub garlic all over me, they won't be able to smell me or something?
वैम्पायर थोड़ी है.
Smell you.
Anything like that.
They can't see you if you're standing still. It's like toads. Sight is based on changes of movement in their field of vision.
So if I don't move, I'm basically invisible.
Yeah.
जॉस गया.
Damn it, what happened?
जॉस की स्टोरी लग रही यहाँ खत्म हो गया.
Too late. Quiet.
We gotta go. Right now.
We gotta find Josh. He could still be out there.
First, when you go, he'll render you immobile. And then he strips the skin off of your entire body, piece by piece. And then he keeps you alive and aware and feasts on your organs, one piece at a time.
कोई नहीं दादाजी, चलो घर चलते हैं. हो गया.
Let's go now. It might still be near.
अरे मैं कहाँ हूँ? अरे बाप रे, मुझे लगा कि मुझे छोड़ के भाग रहा है. नहीं नहीं दादाजी, आप चलो, मैं फॉलो कर रहा हूँ.
Wait. Don't move. Very quiet.
हिलना नहीं है.
Run! Go! Now! Now! Back! Back!
God damn!
I'm right out in the open. I gotta get out of here!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
अरे दादाजी गया.
Oh shit.
क्रिस भाग.
Suck it!
जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
Ah! 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 Oh, shit.
ये मर ही नहीं रहा.
Ash! Ash! Oh, thank God, please, let me in quick!
Chris! My God, what happened?
Yeah, we gotta go. That thing was like right behind us. Go, 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 go!
दादाजी गया. बॉडी ड्रैग करके ले जा रहा है उसका.
Oh my God, guys, thank
What
God!
took you so long?
It's not so good up there right now.
Understatement of the night.
Chris, where's the flamethrower guy?
Yeah.
वो गया.
He didn't make it?
What happened?
The thing, it tore him apart. Right in front of me.
God.
All right. These all the doors?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
What are you looking for?
Another way out.
Mike, look, I really don't think that's a good idea. We should stay put right here until dawn. At least we're safe down here.
Oh, yeah? All wrapped up like a little present with a bow on top for that thing to tear us apart on Christmas morning?
People will come for us in the morning.
You don't sound so sure.
That is what'll happen, right, Em?
Yeah, I mean, right?
Well, you can wait. I'm leaving.
Mike, there's no key for the cable car.
Josh. He's gotta have it.
Josh?
One of his dirty little tricks.
Great. Great.
If that fucking thing got a hold of Josh, then we're shit out of luck.
I don't know, Mike. It's possible.
What's possible?
It may have taken him down to the mine.
What?
I saw some horrible stuff down there. I think it's where that thing lives, and... Huh.
Em? What?
Fuck it. I'm gonna get that key right from that thing's goddamn bedroom, and then I'm gonna get us all the hell out of here.
And what is all that?
It's, that old guy's bag.
Is that a map?
That guy was prepared for anything.
Not quite.
What is this place?
Oh my god.
Wait. What is that?
I was down there. It was horrible.
You were?
Some of them survived, but like 15 of them didn't make it. There was this reporter, and I think he figured out there'd been some like big cover-up going on. And I'm not sure what it means, but I found this chair. Dried blood all over the place, like somebody'd been tortured.
Michael, I'd like to maybe focus on how we're gonna get the fuck out of here, please.
I'm just saying, it's weird how much crazy shit's gone on up here.
What's weird is that there's a tunnel leading from the lodge to the sanatorium, see?
That's how I got back here.
I saw this when I was down there. That's where it lives.
What is...
Huh?
What is that?
Ash.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh
It's
my
nothing.
god.
It just it bit me
It
and
bit you? What bit you?
the Wendigo.
What?
It's nothing, really. It's not a big deal.
You okay?
Shit.
It doesn't hurt anymore, really. It's not that bad.
Em, if that thing bit you,
I know what you're thinking.
Vampire थोड़ी है.
are you?
Yes.
Emily, at least let us check it out.
Emily, if the Wendigo bit you, you could turn into one of those things.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
He said it was from eating each other. Remember, he said that.
Is that how it works?
Yes, it happens. If it bit you, you're gonna turn into one, and then you're gonna turn on us. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Freak out मत कर.
You can't be down here with us.
What? Mike,
You gotta go.
are you kidding me?
You're putting us all in danger.
Like hell I am.
Emily, you can't stay here.
Mike, just cool your head, okay? We don't know if it works like that. Maybe it's just a bite.
I've seen what these fuckers can do, and I don't want to see it again.
What is this? Guys, what are you doing?
Door's right here.
I am letting you do this voluntarily.
Oh no, you're just making yourself feel better about sending me to my death since you know there's a Wendigo out there ready to rip me to pieces like it did with...
Okay, oh my god, will you just go? Go, get out of here!
Whoa, okay.
Whoa. Mike, calm down.
You're gonna shoot me? Mike, me?
This is the safe room, Em.
Please,
It is not safe as long as you're in it. Not for us.
don't do this!
I'm really sorry.
Can you see डर क्या क्या करा देता है? नहीं सूट नहीं करना है. नहीं यार. क्या तुम भी?
Fuck, I can't do this.
Oh my god.
You did the right thing.
I hope you did.
Maybe. For now.
Shit. Fuck.
Keep an eye on her. If you see anything weird, you guys know what to do.
Yeah.
No one leave. Okay? It's not safe out there. I'll be back soon.
नोटिस किया किसी ने? मैट के बारे में कुछ नहीं पूछ रहा है.
What the hell? You okay?
गन उठा लो नहीं तो एमिली उठा लेगी.
I thought that he was gonna help us.
The flamethrower dude?
Now we don't have a chance.
No, guys, it just means we've got to be tough. We've got to do this on our own.
I don't know if I can.
Only a few men have dared to hunt the Wendigo. I am the only one who has ever kept them under control.
This guy's a little OCD.
must be contained. Wendigo grows out of cannibalism. When a human is desperate and craves food, trapped in the mountain in fierce winter storm, when he eats nothing for many days, Wendigo spirit will begin to possess him. Even the strongest man is weak to it. He will kill without remorse. Often those companions who have traveled with him. He will eat the flesh raw from the corpse. I have seen this happen many years ago. And a craving for flesh that cannot be sated. And then the change begin. The eye turn first becomes milky and white. Then the teeth becomes longer like fangs. The creature grows and the skin is pulled out across the bone. Next. There was a tribe that lived in these mountains, the Cree. Their shaman tells the story of
There's a lot of history to this.
a tall creature born in ice. The tribe respected the mountain and all the animals which lived on it. The mountain became sacred to the Cree. Every animal became sacred also. The Cree believed it was bad luck to harm an animal on the mountain and would hunt elsewhere. In 1989, the miners arrived. They found it tiny and later traced to radium. They mined deep into the sacred mountain. The Cree said that the mountain cried out and the spirit was released. The spirit of Wendigo. The Wendigo eyes changed. They became both sharper and more dim. The Wendigo sees.
This says that because the Wendigos are mutated from humans, when they hunt us, they know how to perfectly mimic their prey.
See, exactly like वो supernatural series. Human voice mimic कर सकता है. Like a hawk, but it cannot see stillness. If you are to keep total still, then the Wendigo will not be able to see you. The skin and flesh of the Wendigo are hard like armor. They seems to feel no pain. They cannot be cut or stabbed. Okay, bullet will not pierce their skin, though a shotgun will keep them at bay. Because the Wendigo is mutated from a human, it's known how to hunt us. It can perfectly mimic its prey. You must remain sharp and disciplined. Mimic कर सकता है. किसी का voice होगा तो follow नहीं करना है. Okay. I have killed 6 Wendigos. Knives or bullets will not harm them. Use a flamethrower. It is the best weapon. Fire evolves them, burns away their skin and make them weak, but try not to kill them. Okay, कोशिश करना है नहीं मारने के लिए. Killing a Wendigo should be the last resort. Death release the Wendigo spirit into the air. I have contained them. I use trap to catch them and fire to drive them into cages. The traps were baited with human limbs from those who had no further use for them. One by one, I caught those who had infested the mountain. There may be defenses. Shaman wrote of rituals. I have found native artifacts on the mountain and copied them. Totem bunches and herbs and feathers. I copied their design. I have tasted them. Out on the mountain they work. They keep the Wendigo at bay. Not entirely, but enough. But inside buildings they do not work. Okay. Cree legend said that the Wendigo grows from bite of another Wendigo, but the bite is harmless. I have been bitten, but I did not change. The only way is to eat the flesh of another. There is no other way. Okay, flesh eat नहीं करेंगे तो chances are कि एमिली बची हुई है अभी तक.
Oh no.
Emily will be okay.
It says that the bites, if it bites you, it's not infectious. It doesn't do anything.
Let me see that.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
It says you'll be okay.
It says what? You're gonna be fine.
Fine, Mike almost shot me. Is that
He
fine?
didn't shoot you.
And this bitch almost let him.
Hey, that's not fair. She was scared.
I'm the one who's scared.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Emily. I didn't know what was going to happen.
There's
None of us know.
There's no excuse. There's no excuse
Please,
for
Emily,
this.
please, just try to understand.
Understand the palm of my hand, bitch.
एमिली बैक टू कैरेक्टर आ गई वापस से.
I'm so sorry.
Shit. Shit. We've got to get to Mike. Like now.
Oh, Joshua, you should have listened to me. Because of your choices, people have died. I don't know which is worse, actively triggering events that lead to someone's death, or passively allowing a tragedy to occur. Because you couldn't lift a goddamn finger to help someone else. Remember last year? Huh? How you left your poor sisters to die? You did nothing to help them. Paralyzed by your own self-centered fear, while a real threat was closing in. Now it's all about you, Josh. It's always all about you. Your game has gone terribly wrong. And your friends, like your sisters, have deserted you. You're all alone. Can you feel how cold your loneliness has become? Huh? Why did you hurt them? Joshua, why did you hurt them?
I didn't hurt anyone. ये तो यही सोचता है ना.
Oh, but of course you did. They were your friends, you misled them, you lied to them, and you put them through a night of genuine horror.
It was just a game.
Just a game? But it's a game that has driven you to one of your own deepest fears, Joshua. Isolation.
ये स्टोरी चल कहाँ रहा है? जॉस के माइंड में. लगता तो यही है. जॉस बेचारा बहुत डिस्टर्ब्ड है. चैप्टर 9 कर्मा. 2 hours until dawn. माइक को यहाँ अकेले नहीं आना चाहिए था. वैसे लॉक कर दोगे तो फ्रेंड्स फॉलो करते हुए कहां से आएंगे? अच्छा, तो विंडिगो के स्पिरिट के बारे में हम लोग को क्या पता है कि अगर विंडिगो बाइट कर रहा है तो ओके, वैम्पायर वाला सिचुएशन नहीं है, ठीक है. लेकिन अगर हम लोगों ने फ्लेश खा लिया ट्रैप होकर के, भूखे रख करके, तो विंडिगो का स्पिरिट जो है वो पोजेस कर लेगा. ये उस डायरी से अपने को क्लियर कट पता चला है. तो अपने को क्या चाहिए? जॉस के बॉडी से एस्केलेटर नहीं, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जिप लाइन का कीज चाहिए अपने को. शॉटगन से कुछ नहीं हो रहा था और इसके पास तो जस्ट एक हैंडगन है. उससे क्या ही होगा? अब ऑप्शन भी क्या है? ये तो आ तो गया यहाँ तक. एग्जिट ब्लॉक है. जल्दी से चलते हैं.
Holy shit.
ये वो वाला एरिया है ना जिसमें बोन्स वगैरह था.
What happened to the wolves?
नहीं, इसका क्या करना है? सिगार का तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. वुल्फ्स भी नहीं है. कहाँ भाग गए वो लोग? मुझे लगा एटलीस्ट वुल्फ्स के रहने से यहाँ क्या है? कुछ गेट जैसा दिख रहा है क्या? एक सेकेंड। ये कहाँ आ गए हम लोग? ओपन एरिया में जाना सही आइडिया नहीं होगा।
Holy hell.
मेकशिफ्ट ग्रेव, एडम वाइट, एवलिन, डैनियल्स, चार्ल्स मिलर। ग्रेव को देख करके तो कोई फायदा नहीं है ना फिलहाल। अभी हम लोग को कैसे भी करके माइंस वाले एरिया में जा करके विंडिगो का जो लेयर है वहाँ एंटर करना होगा हमें। एक सेकेंड, ये क्या है? अगेन एक डियर टाइप टोटम है। वो डियर को हंट कर रहा है। कंटिन्यू हंट कर रहा है। एक मॉन्स्टर टाइप का, उसे भूख नहीं भी लगी है तो वो उसका हंटिंग रुक नहीं रहा। जल्दी से अंदर चलते हैं, दूसरे रास्ते से अब निकलते हैं। मुझे नहीं लगा था कि गेम का स्टोरी इस तरह से 180 डिग्री चेंज हो जाएगा। जस्ट इमेजिन अब मैं कैसे, या कोई भी कैसे लॉजिकल डिसीजन ले पाएगा। तो लॉक्ड है। विंडिगो के सामने लॉजिकल डिसीजन काम करेगा? ये तो ब्लॉक लग रहा है। स्टेयर्स को फॉलो करे क्या? भाई जल्दी चले यार। ऐसा नहीं हो कि ऊपर से विंडिगो देख रहा हो हमें। फॉलो करता हुआ नीचे उतर जाए। यहाँ क्या है? शॉटगन है क्या?
I just need a pitchfork and a mob.
ये तो कोई लाइटर टाइप है, लाइट्स के लिए। टॉर्च, मिनी शॉटगन।
Good enough.
लेकिन अभी भी तो वापस वहीं आ रहे हैं हम लोग। यहाँ से निकले थे और यहाँ पे भी तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, तो जाए कहाँ यहाँ से हम लोग? यार कंफ्यूजिंग है बहुत। वापस जाएं क्या? इसी रास्ते से हम लोग आए थे, याद है? यहीं यहीं कॉर्नर पे वुल्फ बैठा हुआ था। नहीं, यहाँ नहीं निकल सकते। अब क्या करें? अच्छा, गन हाथ में है ना, मे बी वो गेट अपने तोड़ सके शूट करके। लेकिन वो चीज़ तो विंडिगो को अलार्म कर देगा भाई। अब वैसे सोच के नहीं होगा, अपने को स्मार्टली सोचना पड़ेगा। फिर से एक नया टोटम। फ्रॉग है। एक सेकेंड। इसका मतलब एक गलत डिसीजन और माइक का यहीं डेथ हो जाएगा। अरे यार, जल्दी से अपने कहाँ जाएं? गेम कुछ ज़्यादा ही, जब तक वो मुझे ये लग रहा था ना कि ह्यूमन विलन है, तब तक लॉजिकली सोचना ठीक था, लेकिन अब जो है विंडिगो के आने के बाद ना समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ से आ जाएगा वो। ये तो मैप वगैरह दिखा रहा है। यहाँ से गन वगैरह मिला हम लोग को। ये तो वही रास्ता है जहाँ से हम लोग वापस आए थे। एग्जिट इस साइड में है। अच्छा, मिडिल वाले रास्ते से हम लोग जाने का कोशिश नहीं किए हैं ना? एटलीस्ट ट्राई करते हैं। अरे इतना साउंड क्यों कर रहा है यार?
Whoa! Shit! Oh,
नहीं 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 नहीं।
easy boy.
कुछ दिखा रहा है क्या? डॉग को फॉलो करें? अच्छा, एटलीस्ट यहाँ अपने सेफ हैं, कवर है, ऊपर नीचे हर जगह से सेफ है। जल्दी माइक, जल्दी चले यार। आ गया, आ गया। तो याद क्या रखना है? विंडिगो आता है, अगर मूव नहीं करना है उस टाइम।
Alright. There goes nothing. Awesome.
देख के गन ना छूट जाए हाथ से। स्लोली स्लोली। वो डॉग अचानक से कहाँ गायब हो गया? माइक का ये अकेले आने का जो चॉइस हुआ ना, ये महंगा पड़ सकता है। आई टेल यू। क्या है यहाँ पे? कोई बॉडी है क्या? डॉग का क्या हाल कर दिया?
Bitch. Fuck, man. This is truly disgusting.
इसका मतलब अंदर ही कहीं है वो।
Huh. These doors were built like tanks. How crazy were these inmates?
इसका मतलब रूम में भी सेफ नहीं है हम लोग। Let us cut.
What went on?
Let us out. Sorry. We are starving, freezing. I'll make you pay. कि इन्हीं लोगों ने एक दूसरे को खा लिया था और फिर देन विंडिगो का जो स्पिरिट है ना, वो अनलीस हो गया। यहीं से आए थे क्या हम लोग? अरे यार बहुत डर लग रहा है मुझे। एक काम करते हैं गाइस, ये एपिसोड हम लोग यहीं तक रखते हैं। आई होप ये एपिसोड आपको पसंद आया हो। अगर अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। और हाँ, अगर सजेशन कुछ है क्या चेंजेस मैं कर सकता हूँ, आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट, तो आप प्लीज़ सजेस्ट करिए, मैं उस तरह से कोशिश करूँगा गेम रिकॉर्ड करने की। थैंक यू।